Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes.
Today we are talking about miss sound. What sound is it?
Miss sound.
Good job. Dear students, what is this?
Ma.
What?
Ma.
Forward sound.
Miss sound.
Good job. Okay, Larry, what do you have?
Mug.
Mug. Forward sound.
Miss sound.
کوشش و هوندن بزاینات چند خیر فهم هم بشیرا حسود و لنیرا خیر فهم هم بشیرا فهم همیشه پیشنگا